Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken nugget parmesan. Alright, I'm starting out in a 9x13 baking pan. I have two 29-ounce packages of chicken nuggets that I baked on cookie sheets, so the directions on the package. Then I transfer them over into this pan. Now the reason I did that is because if you do them in this pan, they're going to steam because there's just too many of them not spread out. So do them on a cookie sheet. Now I'm going to take some Italian seasoning and sprinkle this down over top of the chicken nuggets. And guys, it's a real quick and easy recipe, and everybody in the family will love it from the biggest to the smallest. I'm going to take some pasta sauce. This is roasted garlic. You can use any kind you like. And I'm just going to sprinkle some down over top of the chicken nuggets. You just want to spread it around. And we're probably not going to use this whole jar because we don't want to give these a bath in this because we don't want them to turn super soggy. We want them to keep some of their crispiness. We just want to get that good classic tomato sauce that's in chicken parmesan down into the nuggets. And this here has spinach in it, this sauce, so you might see a random piece of spinach here or there. Or it's basil, excuse me. Alright, that's about a half a jar of sauce. That's looking good right there. Now I have some grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some of that down over top of the chicken. And we're going to be pretty generous with that. We want this to be like a cheesy chicken casserole. And Dexter's quiet today. He's in there sleeping. It's not because we're making chicken, it's just he decided to take a nap now. Alright. Now lastly, I have some sliced mozzarella cheese. I can get this open. I'm going to layer some mozzarella cheese on here. Get this nice and melted. And we're going to go for about 6 slices of cheese because this will spread out a little bit as it melts. One more slice should do her. And I'm going to put a little more Italian seasoning on top. Now I had my oven set at 425 for the chicken nuggets. That's what the recipe called for, what the directions called for. I cut it back to 400. I'm going to put this in that 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes till the cheese melts and the sauce heats through. It won't take long. Then we'll pull this out. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Get a piece of this nugget with the sauce on it. We'll get some of this cheese. That's really good, guys. You get the cheesiness, you get the tomato sauce mixed with the chicken, the two different types of cheese. It tastes like chicken parmesan, and it was no trouble at all to make, really easy. You've seen how quick the video is. Alright, there you have it. Chicken nugget parmesan. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.